Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. It's pretty easy to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. Start off by tapping over your Trust Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure you're logged into it. Once you are from the main home page, tap the Buy button at the top of the screen and select BNB from the assets displayed on the screen. Type in the amount of BNB that you'd like to purchase. Want to type in your amount, you need to go ahead and select your third-party provider. Tap on Pay and select whether Moon Pay or Simplex that you'd like to purchase with. Now tap on the Next button at the bottom of the screen, which will take you to a new tab and your email information into the text box. Tap on Continue at the bottom. On the next page, type in the verification code that has been sent to your email address in the text box. Finally, tap the Continue button beneath and follow the on-screen prompts on the next page in order to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.